Want to unlock all the awesome perks of Discord Nitro without using your credit card? First, head over to Amazon.com and make sure you have enough balance on your Amazon gift card to cover the cost of Discord Nitro, which is either $999 for Nitro or $299 for Nitro Basic. In the search bar, type in Discord gift card. While Amazon doesn't directly sell Discord Nitro, you can purchase a digital gift card that you can then use to fund your Nitro subscription. Browse through the search results. A good option is a general Amazon gift card of the appropriate amount or a digital gift card to a retailer who sells Discord Nitro. Locate a digital gift card option that fits your budget and Nitro plan. Click on the digital gift card you want to purchase. Make sure the amount covers the Discord Nitro plan you're aiming for. Add the gift card to your cart and proceed to checkout. During checkout, your Amazon gift card balance will automatically be applied. Complete the purchase. Once processed, you'll receive the digital gift card code via email. Now check your email for the digital gift card code. Copy the code and head over to your Discord app. In Discord, go to User Settings, click on Nitro, and select the Nitro plan you desire. During checkout, add the Amazon gift card to your Amazon account. Then, use your Amazon account as a payment method. Voila! Enjoy all the enhanced features, perks, and benefits of Discord Nitro by using your Amazon gift card balance.